Hello guys, my name is Tawandi Mote. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to review about the Tata Nexon XZ Plus, the top model. Before I go and start my review about the Tata Nexon, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel right now. And because many people are watching my video but they are not subscribing, I'm telling this in every video, I would sincerely request you to subscribe my channel. I will come up with the more videos. You can put in your comment section if you want me to do any video with the different cars. Let's start the review with the Tata Nexon top model. So here we have a Tata Nexon top model. If I'll talk about the front one, here we get the projector headlamp, here we get the LED DRLs, which gives a very impressive look. This is a LED DRLs. Here we get the halogen headlamp as well. We get the fog lamp here because it's a top end model, so we get everything and it is looking very stylish. Front middle part, that's a black, complete black piano finishing. Middle here it is a Tata logo. Here it's the complete chrome finishing. So if you look at from the DRLs, so here it connects. From here the chrome finishing start and it ends till the another right hand side headlight. Okay, the down part, here we got the normal black one plastic. Here we got the grill, the tri-shaped grill, and here we get the silver plating. Okay, this is a 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheel. Look at it. It just really gives a very impressive look. Okay, about the tire section, it is a 215 by 60. Okay, and that's a 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheel. We get the electrical foldable ORVM with the side indicator. Okay, the rear part if I'll talk about, so since it's the top end model Nexon, we get the wiper washer defogger here. Okay, here we get the Tata logo. We get the placement for the camera here. You can see here we get the placement. Here we get the Nexon badging. There is a very impressive tail lights. So when you apply the brake, you can see this design, the red color that will blink. So it gives a very nice look from the rear part. So let me tell you one thing. So to open the boot space, here we have got the sensor. So you just need to press it and you will able to open the boot space. We get the 350-liter boot space in Tata Nexon. Okay, here we get the spare wheel. Okay, and here we get the toolkit. You get the partial tray as well. And okay guys, so here the great thing about Tata Nexon top end model, ये एक बटन है, अगर आप उसको पुल करते हो तो आप ज़्यादा स्पेस क्रिएट कर सकते हो. अगर आपको कुछ लगेज लेके जाना है तो इधर से आप सीट को आगे खींच सकते हो. ये बटन इधर से पुल करके, यू कैन सी इट हियर, ये बटन इधर से पुल करके आप इसको बैंड कर सकते हो. और अभी अगर मैं आपको दिखाऊं तो यू कैन सी हाउ मच स्पेस आई हैव टू कीप माई लगेज. तो अगर आप 2 लोग ट्रैवल कर रहे हो और आपके पास सामान बहुत है तो आप ये चीज़ कर सकते हो. और अगर जब भी कोई पीछे बैठ रहा है, वापस सीट को ऊपर कर दो, इधर से ये नॉर्मल कर दो और ये लॉक हो जाएगा. Here we get again the Trio shape finishing. Okay, they have given here. We get the reflectors. Here we get the reverse parking sensor. The rear sitting part, here we get the door in the dual handle, dual shade. So you can look it here, and it is giving a very premium look. Of course, it's a top end model. Here it's a chrome finishing handle. Okay, here you get the tweeter option. Here you get the power window. Here, this particular part, it's a completely black piano finishing. Here you get the water bottle holder, and here you get the speaker placement. Seating, if I'll talk about, so of course it's a top end model. It's very comfort because we have the rear AC vents here. Okay, and here we get the armrest, but I'll talk about that later. Almost we get the not complete flat floor, but still the middleman, who is sitting in the middle, can manage. Before I go to the front part, let me show you how you get the key. So this is how you get the key. So the keyless entry you get. Here it's a unlock button. Here you get the lock button. Here is a follow me headlamp. Boot space open control, it has been discontinued now. So there is no use of this button. Okay. So the car is already unlocked. Here we get the sensor. Here you get the all 4 power windows. Here you get the chrome finishing. Here you get the piano finishing. Here, if I'll talk about the steering, you get the leather wrapping steering. Here you get the Tata logo. Here you get the multimedia control. You can answer and disconnect the call from here. Here you get the cruise control. So if you want to cruise your car on highway, you can do it. Here you get the black piano finishing. This is how the instrumental cluster looks. So which gives a kilometer, it gives you an average if you will change it, that how much is your average, whether it is in city mode or economy mode. Here you can see it's the time, and you can select from trip A. The left hand side you can see it's a 53.4 kilometer driven, and this is the trip A. The average you can see here, it's the 8 as of now it is showing. Infotainment system, so we get the Harman 7-inch infotainment system, which has an Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Here you have a Bluetooth option also, so you can connect your phone. Apart from that, you get the What 3 words, you get the voice command option, and you get the Drive Next app also. Okay, you can use that one. Park Assist also, if I'll show, see here how the Park Assist looks. So the reverse camera, I feel that Tata should have improved the quality of the reverse camera. It can be better. So that's how it is. The AC wings, it is with the chrome finishing. Here earlier we used to get the buttons, but now we get the Nexon badging. Here we get the automatic climate control AC. Okay, here you can open the boot space. Okay, here you can lock and unlock the car button. This is for the follow me headlamp. You can just press it and you can start applying it. This is the Express Cool features, which is the amazing feature. So as soon as you press this, you will start getting the express cooling from the AC. So that's just amazing. Might be in a 1 minute, it is done. It will be so cold. So that's a good thing. You get the USB port. Here you get the 12-volt charging socket. Here we get the 6-speed manual transmission. Okay, you can see here it's a 6-speed manual transmission, and the Tata Nexon comes in the automatic version also, so you can check that also. We get the 3 mode. One is city mode, one is economy mode, and the sport mode. Okay, so if I'll see
economy drive mode activated.
So this is how you can change your mode, okay, accordingly. So here you have some place to keep it, and it gives a very premium look actually, if you can see. Here you have too much space. Here you get the armrest. So armrest is a smaller, but that's fine. It is giving a premium look and it's very nice. You get the cool glove box. So if you have any drinks, you can just keep it inside and you can make it cool. So it is a cool glove box. You get the light inside, so in case in the night time, if you want to open the glove box and check, you will be able to see easily. It's a very nice quality. You get the dashboard in the dual shade. This is the normal hard plastic, and here you have more about the classy design, which is giving a very premium look. Here you get the auto day night IRVM. You get the microphone placement. This is, you get the light here. Okay, you can press it off, you can press it on, you can use it. Here at the driver's side, you do not get any vanity mirror. You get the vanity mirror at the co-passenger side. And here, can you see something? We have a sunroof in the top end model. If I'll press this button, and that's how it opens. I'll show you once again. I'm closing it. So I'm closing this from here, the second button, and if I'll press this, this is how the sunroof opens. Okay. Here we get the shark antenna. Okay. So this is the back brake light. Here we get the vocal for local badging. Okay. Every Tata cars you will see, even if you go for the Ultros or any of the car, you will see that. So guys, this was the review about Tata Nexon XZ Plus optional. So if I'll talk about XZ Plus optional pricing, so the ex-showroom price is at 10,99,900, and if Bangalore, the on-road price, it will come around 14 lakhs 16,000 approx, and it is a bit expensive, but you get everything what makes you feel premium when you drive the car. It has each and every facility. So this is a XZ Plus optional Tata Nexon review, and yes, today I'm done with it. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe my channel right now. Till that time, I'm signing off. My name is Tavan Dimote. Bye bye.